You ever notice how everyone keeps arguing about whether coding is still worth it in 2025? Some people swear it's the best skill in the world. Others say AI killed the whole industry. And then there are beginners who are completely confused, wondering if they're wasting their time. I get it, because a few weeks ago I was literally scrolling through TikTok and saw 5 back-to-back videos saying coding is dead, that AI will replace programmers, and that you should learn prompting instead. Meanwhile, every job posting still wants you to know 14 different technologies and have 3 years of experience for a junior role. The internet is confusing on purpose. So let's talk about the real question. Is coding still worth learning in 2025, or is everyone just coping? Here's the first thing nobody tells you. Coding didn't suddenly stop being valuable. What actually changed is the perception of coding. AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Cursor, they made beginners think coding is just typing instructions and waiting for magic to happen. And sure, AI can help, but it still can't replace someone who understands what's actually going on. The second point is hype. People see influencers saying coding is overcrowded, too competitive, or boring now. But you know what nobody talks about? The tech industry is massive. Like massive to the point where even with all the layoffs, companies are still begging for people who can build real, solid software. The problem isn't that coding isn't worth learning. The problem is that too many people try to learn it for the wrong reasons. They think coding is an easy ticket to money. They expect to learn it in 30 days because of those YouTube titles like, "I learned coding in 1 week and got a job at Google." Meanwhile, you're fighting with JavaScript for 3 hours because one curly brace is missing. But here's the truth. If you're only learning coding because you think it's quick money, you're gonna quit the moment it gets hard. And it will get hard. Coding is fun until you actually have to think. Now here's where things get interesting. AI didn't make coding useless. AI made bad coding useless. It made copying tutorials useless. It made shallow knowledge useless. The people who win in 2025 are the ones who understand fundamentals and can solve problems, not the ones who memorize syntax.